Refractive surgery is one of my favorite things to do and to talk about because I think it's so life-changing for people. And so, I used to tell my soldiers in the military, look, this is life-saving. Now it's more life-changing. But it's super fun to do and it's really fun to talk about because it is so life-changing. And there's really three things that I offer here. One is called PRK, one's called LASIK, and one's called an implantable contact lens. Bottom line is, with LASIK, we make a small flap of eye skin that's, well, about 100 microns thick, so not even a full millimeter thick. We lift that up, laser to correct your vision, put the flap right back down. As soon as the flap goes down, you can see almost instantly well. I only use lasers. We do all sort of custom treatment. PRK is a great procedure for patients that may not be a good candidate for LASIK or on their own just want to do PRK. So instead of making a flap of eye skin, we just gently remove the surface layer of the eye skin. It's almost like, if you were to fall and get like a little rug burn on your knee. It's kind of that surface layer of eye skin that we just gently remove. We then laser on top of that and let that grow back. So there isn't a flap, there's no worries about that. So PRK is a great option if you're somebody that's like a special ops guy or a boxer or a super active person. And then the third procedure that we do is an implantable contact lens. And I generally reserve that for patients that are, not a good candidate for LASIK or have a super high prescription. But it's a fantastic procedure. We've been doing it for years. And we just fabricate a lens that's very flexible and very, very thin, just barely thicker than the thickness of a human hair. And we implant that behind the colored part of the eye. So you have to make a small little incision, but it's very gentle and you don't feel anything, and it's like putting a new lens on a camera. We just slide the lens in place. There's no maintenance, there's no upkeep to it, and your eye heals up within a day or so. It's a very quick recovery.